Welcome to Beautyistic, where we take a closer look at the tools that can make a real difference in your beauty routine. Let's talk about something that's often overlooked, but so crucial for maintaining that fresh smile: flossing. Waterpik's Cordless Advanced Water Flosser promises to elevate your dental care game, whether you have braces, implants, or just want to keep your gums healthy. With its sleek, handheld design and a range of impressive features, it's designed to make flossing easier, faster, and more efficient. And if you're someone who's always on the go, this flosser might just be your new best friend. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a detailed review like this one. So, what's in the box with the Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flosser? This model comes equipped with 4 different tips, 3 pressure settings, and a removable 7/0 reservoir that's dishwasher safe. It features a rechargeable battery and a magnetic USB charger, so you can charge it effortlessly in about 4 hours. Plus, it's travel-friendly with a microfiber travel bag and tip storage case, making it perfect for those trips abroad or to the gym. You can use it anywhere with the global voltage compatibility. If you're someone who struggles with traditional flossing or just wants a better clean, this device might be worth considering. Now onto how it actually performs. After using the Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flosser for a couple of weeks, I found that it really does live up to the claims. First off, the quiet operation was a huge plus. No one wants a noisy, obnoxious flosser, and this one's almost whisper quiet. The 3 pressure settings offer flexibility depending on your needs. For everyday use, I found the middle setting to be ideal. The highest setting is great for a deep clean, especially around gum lines, but be cautious if you have sensitive gums. It can feel a little intense. One of the standout features is the 360-degree tip rotation, which allows you to easily maneuver the flosser to hit all areas of your mouth, including the hard-to-reach places like behind your back teeth or under dental work. The removable water reservoir is also a plus because it's easy to fill, and the fact that it's dishwasher safe makes it even more convenient. Plus, it's portable, so you don't have to worry about taking up too much space in your bathroom or while traveling. As for the pros, it's definitely easy to use, and the fact that it's cordless makes it super convenient for traveling. The included tips cater to different needs, so whether you have implants, braces, or just need a general clean, there's a tip for that. It's also gentle on the gums, which is a big deal for me since I have sensitive gums. On the flip side, the battery life could be a little longer. I found myself recharging it after a few uses, especially if I use the highest pressure setting. Additionally, the water reservoir holds only 7/0, so if you're someone who likes to floss for a longer period of time, you may need to refill it halfway through your routine. It's a minor inconvenience, but worth noting. Is this flosser worth the price? In my opinion, yes. It's priced higher than some other water flossers, but the performance and features justify it. Plus, it's dentist recommended and comes with the American Dental Association (ADA) seal of acceptance, so you know it's a product backed by science. If you're on the lookout for an alternative, there are some more budget-friendly water flossers out there, but they won't offer the same quality or dentist-backed recommendations. If you're really into your oral health, this model delivers great performance and longevity. However, if you're simply looking for a basic option and don't need all the bells and whistles, you might want to check out some lower-priced models that still get the job done. As for build quality, it feels sturdy and the design is sleek and ergonomic. The magnetic charger is a nice touch, very convenient for a fast charge. The materials feel durable, and the overall feel of the product is high-end. Does the Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flosser live up to its promises? For me, yes. It cleans effectively, is easy to use, and has features that cater to a wide range of needs, whether you have dental implants, braces, or just want to keep your gums in top shape. It's a solid choice for anyone looking for a more advanced way to floss. If you've used this product or have any thoughts on water flossers, drop a comment below. Let me know if this review was helpful. As always, thank you for watching, and remember, keep your smile healthy and beautiful, inside and out.